Hey guys, welcome back to Zane's Big Bakes, and today I'm going to be making some super delicious banana bread. Before we get started, the link of the recipe is in the description below, and without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get started on the batter, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get an electric mixer and a medium-sized bowl. Now we can get started on the batter. First, get 2 overripe bananas and mash them in the bowl. Once you've mashed your bananas, add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 large egg plus 1 large egg white. Beat on a medium speed with your electrical mixer until smooth. Next, add in 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/2 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until smooth. Now you can add your batter into your 8x4 inch loaf pan that you've sprayed with cooking spray. Now you can get this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out my other 2 videos and like and subscribe. Also, comment down below which baked good you want me to make next.